I was actually telling you about the steps in which I have done just to have better clarity. So the second is I can also give 0 0 option in the row and column in the offset function. So I write A1. Oh, I have already done that. The option is I want to now try A1 with 1 and 0 combination. That means either of the row and column can be 0 and the other parameter will be with the number, maybe 1, 2 or whatsoever. So let's see what we get. Let me just check. So we get 2 over here. Now let me see what I'm getting. So in this particular example, I wrote A1 and I've mentioned row as 1 and column as 0. That means it is only asking me to go one row down, and column is mentioned as 0 over here. So it will not go on the right side, right? Let me give you one more option. So it is offset bracket. I say B2 this time, and I say next I say 0 and 1. So earlier, in the earlier phase, I mentioned 1 0. This time I'm mentioning 0 and 1. So let's see what I get. So I get 22. So let's see this option. So it says that from B to 0 row should be, there is no 0 row that we mentioned. So the row will not be going down. But from that particular reference point, it will go 1 on the right side of the column. And the right side of the column, the value is 22. So we're getting 22 as the answer. I'll do one more time just for the better understanding. So we have C2 or C1 this time, and I say 1, say 2 comma 0. Say, oh, there is some problem. So it is, wait a minute. I just wrote 1 over there, so it should be C1, and I close the bracket. So this time I get 23. So how I'm getting 23 is over here. It says from C1, go 2 rows down, and column is 0, so it will not be going on the right side. All right, so am I clear? There are 3 parts as of now which we have done. We can give any number in row and column, and it will actually go down by those many number of rows. It will go right by those many number of columns, and accordingly it will give you the answer. We can also give 0 0 as the option. When it gives 0 0, then it will only return the value of the reference cell that we are mentioning in the offset function. Third category we have done. We can also have a vice versa option, 1 0 2 0, or 0 1 0 2, like that. So accordingly it will jump those many number of rows or those many number of columns and give me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can you please repeat this 0 0 option? Because
0
in
0
my
option.
ma'am,
अच्छा
in
तो
my computer it's given error
एक मिनट
when I put the 0 0.
एक मिनट, आपने दोनों का 0 डाला, रो का भी कॉलम का भी?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा मैं दोबारा देखती हूँ. सो आई से ऑफसेट ब्रैकेट एंड आई से A1 से शुरू करते हैं, सिंपल है समझने में. सो आई से 0 0 एंड देन आई क्लोज द ब्रैकेट, एंड मेरे में तो 1 आंसर आ रहा है. जस्ट चेक द फॉर्मेट दैट यू हैव मेंशन्ड. कॉमा है, ब्रैकेट है, कहीं और कुछ आपने डाला तो नहीं हुआ? स्पेस तो नहीं आ गया गलती से कहीं एक्स्ट्रा? चेक करो, क्योंकि ये काम करना चाहिए, बिकॉज माइन इज अ ओल्डर वर्जन. सो इफ इट इज वर्किंग विद इन माई लैपटॉप, इट शुड वर्क इन योर लैपटॉप, बिकॉज आई बिलीव यू मस्ट बी हैविंग द लेटेस्ट वर्जन्स. So is it working? Try again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्या गलती थी?
Ma'am, इस bracket का था ma'am.
So that, see, it's important to learn from what mistakes we are doing, and that is the reason I actually write the errors which we have got. क्योंकि जब आप एग्जाम में काम करना शुरू करोगे ना, क्योंकि एग्जाम में कोई आपको हेल्प नहीं मिलेगी, आप काम करोगे और आपको एरर आ जाएगा. तो व्हेन यू हैव अ कंपाइल्ड लिस्ट ऑफ द एरर्स, यू एटलीस्ट नो द आंसर्स ऑफ दोज एरर्स. तब आप इजिली उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो, एंड यू वोंट बी हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम देयर, यू वोंट गेट स्टक अप देयर. ठीक है, तो जब भी आपको एरर आए ना, सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है चेक फॉर दी वर्जन. सेकंड स्टेप इज चेक फॉर दी फॉर्मेट, चेक फॉर दी एक्स्ट्रा कॉमा, एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट, कोई एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है. कई बार क्या होता है, व्हेन आई एम प्रेसिंग स्पेस बार, आई जैसे अगर किसी का बहुत ही हार्ड टच है तो प्रेस करते वो क्या होता है, ज्यादा स्पेस आ जाती है. तो जस्ट कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. Though we say that we should be pressing the keys very hard, so it should be a soft touch, but you never know. सो ठीक है, सो आई रिपीट व्हाट वी हैव डन सो फार. थोड़ा मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको याद रहे कि हमने क्या क्या इसमें इनपुट डाली है. अकॉर्डिंगली वी कैन get the output. So the very first step was where we are actually giving a number in the row and column. हमने बड़ा आसान सा करा 1,1 and we got the number as required in the format. Second हमने करा 0,0 wherein we do not want the function to go either down or on the right side, and accordingly it will give me the answer of the relevant reference cell which is having any value. Third हमने करा 0,0 का combination, मतलब 0 and 1, 1, 0 like that. So if we are talking about nth number of rows, it will go down by those nth number of rows. And if the column is mentioned as a 0, it will not go anywhere. Alright? Vice versa का मतलब है कि आप रो को भी 0 बना सकते हो, आप कॉलम को भी 0 बना सकते हो. फोर्थ आपका कॉम्बिनेशन है इनपुट का. Now in the offset function you also have the chance of giving a negative number. जो हमने नहीं करा, तो I just thought of doing that also. Negative number means that it is not a necessity. I have told you already that you always have to start from A1 only. You may start with B3, B1, C2, C3 or D3 or D1, but the only requirement is that whatever range you are giving in the offset function, that must be defined by you as a user. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने कोई रो दे दिया है, मतलब 10 रो, और आपने कॉलम दे दिया 15th कॉलम, और वो रो और वो कॉलम आपने डिफाइन ही नहीं करा है, then it will not give you any answer. It may give you any error like we were getting in the last classes. Mostly we got 0 because we haven't defined any number of rows or any number of columns. So please be clear about the negative number. Negative number, what it will do, in the previous cases, the offset function was moving on the right side, or by default it was going down on the downside. It was not going up, or it was not going on the left side. But there may be a scenario where we want to fetch a data with respect to a reference, maybe from left side of the column, or maybe from towards the downside or upside. So depending on this we can give the reference. So this time I'm going to use a negative number, and for that I would be using C4. So I say C4. Let me start with very simple. I say -1, -1. I repeat one more time. You can give a negative number. In that case, the value which will be returned will be from the up part and from the left side of the column. So in this case, I've written C4 is 24. So from C4, again, it will be moving up by 1 and going left by 1. In the earlier case, what it was doing, it was actually going down by 1 and 2, whatever number we are mentioning, or it was going on the right side by whatever number we are mentioning. So let's see what we get. Let me just check my function. I don't want to have any error over here. So we got offset bracket C4 -1 -1 like this. So we got 13 over here. Now see from where we started. We started from C4, which is your this number. C4 is 24, and we have got 13 as the answer. So from C4, move one side on the left, not on the right, and move, basically it will start with the row. So move up by 1, and then from that particular point, move 1 by left. So accordingly, when I go first up and then I turn left, I get 13 as the answer. Let me do one more time so that you guys can do that. So we have offset. Then we have, let me give some other reference. So let me give E6. E6 is the last column that you can see. Deliberately I'm doing that because I want to go on the left side of the column and not on the right side. Right side कोई column है ही नहीं, तो कोई value आपकी आएगी नहीं इसमें. So we have E6, and this time I give -2, -2. You can give any. -2 and -2, and then I press enter. Let's see what we get. So we got 24, which is the number this. And deliberately I wrote individual unique numbers so that we can actually make out the the positioning of those numbers. क्योंकि अगर multiple numbers same numbers होते तो आपको पता नहीं चलता कि कौन सा 33 आ रहा है या कौन सा 24 आ रहा है. So 24 is the value that we got. Now let me go back to my function and let me track down the root. So from E6, it says go up by 2 points. So 1 and 2, and from 44 go, what did I write? Minus by 2 points. So it will give me 1 and this particular value, right? Similarly, if I just do it one more time, so this is nothing new, but it is only opposite of what we were doing earlier. In the earlier case, we were actually going on the right side or we were going down, in the row. But when you give a negative number, it will allow you to go on, upwards and on the left side of the column. But you must ensure that whatever reference number you have given, it must be having the columns on the left and right. Accordingly, you should give the row and column number over there, राइट। तो ये तो था आपका उसमें। अब देखते हैं हम, अगर इसका कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करके देखें तो क्या होता है।